G'day, how you going? This is Michael from O'Donnell's Aussie Homestead. I'm at my house at the moment and I thought I'd run you through what my wife's up to. She's got a green thumb now. She's into, what do you call them, succulents. She always had these ones at the door, thinking they're going to make her millions of dollars. Because they're they're called Chinese money plants. Lots of other names for them. And look through there, there, and over here, and then down here, there, and she's got me. And she's got me doing other things as well. You can have a look over here. She's got me. She had a big plant here, too big. It was choking out a little lemon tree, and so I transplanted it over to there. And I'm going to take that one away and put it at the end. I've been pruning down her bush here. That's why the stuff there. So it's in progress. We'll get to it all finished soon, and I'll show you the end result. How about that? Sounds like a plan. Just working on my garden. Working on my garden. Actually, it's the wife's. My wife, Princess, has got me slaving. Yeah, I'm just starting to do a bit of the putting a bit of the, what do you call it, bark in the garden here. I should have showed you beforehand, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I've just repotted all these ones here, all these succulents for her. Oh, it's raining. It's always raining lately. And I fixed up these along here, repotted them, cut them down because they're too tall, those things were. They were looking lanky. I took that out of another place and tidied it up. All this was covered in, because I'm next to lots of trees, and all these had to be, it was all overgrown with bark and everything, so I cleaned it all out. It goes right around there. So that's all been done. Got some rubbish outside the fence still to get rid of. I had one big one of those, I forget what you call it now, and I have one other one in a pot, so I just stuck it out of the pot so it's all even. That covers that. And I'll take you. So I'm using my phone. Okay, I wood chipped it all around here, cleaned it all out. That's called golden cane, that big one. Wood chipped it all around there for her. I've already shown you that part, but it's finished now. I've got some rubbish there still to finish cleaning up. I should be a bit more thorough. Wood chipped it all through here. I done that garden with rocks. And that one there, and my wife's into calamansi or calamundan, they might call it, or kumquat. They're similar. One's a bit more sour. And This is, as you've seen, all this here now. She's put some rocks in it. So, without getting too much into it, this might keep me in the good books for a little bit. Okay. What I will do, I will also... My wife's put a little video out and I was quite surprised. I will run that past you as well. Look, I hope you enjoyed our little walk around. Get the opportunity, please like this video, subscribe and ring that notification bell. That's if you're new to the channel. Alright, see you next time.